Hi, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today we're going to have a drag race and the drag race action set. Here's a track setup. I hope you like it. Hi, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today we're racing the Demon. This car was released in 1970. It has a metal body and a metal base. Its color, Spectre Flame Blue. It has a dark interior, blue tinted windows, and it's riding on those Redline wheels. And its competition from 1969 is the Classic 57 T-Bird. It has a metal body and a metal base. Its color, Spectre Flame Olive. It has dark interior, clear windows, and it's riding on those Redline wheels. All right, the track is set up. The cars are in position. Let's have race one. The Classic 57 T-Bird wins race number one. The track is reset. The cars have switched lanes. Let's have race number two. The Classic 57 T-Bird wins race number two as well. Since the Classic 57 T-Bird won the best 2 out of 3 races, let's have one more race, just for fun. The Classic 57 T-Bird wins race number 3 and is today's champion. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today, folks. Hope you had a good time. Remember, Hot Wheels goes faster and they roll further. If you like what you saw, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe. While you're there, hit that notification bell because here you're only going to find the fastest miniature metal cars you've ever seen. I'll see you next race.